Hello Defender fans, and welcome back to another short video. This is a Defender 300 TDI. 300 TDI, great example, and we've just retrofitted factory air conditioning. So this vehicle is about to be shipped to the States. Clearly going to need some aircon because it's going to a warmer climate. And as you can see, it is the factory system we've installed. All brand new. Sits in there really nicely. As you can see, you've got the auxiliary fans here for the aircon system. You can hear the amount of air that's been pushed through there, and of course if the engine was running it would be chilled as well. It doesn't affect the existing heating of the car. This is exactly as you'd see from the factory in something like a TD5. That's the evaporator system and fan system in there. The condenser, it's obviously mounted behind here. It's all brand new. We've also installed the extra additional fan. If everything gets too warm, it can push the cool air through. As you can see, we've got the compressor here with the two pipes here for feeding the system. All new hoses, all on the original bracketry, new belt, everything's set up correctly and tensioned correctly. We've got the dryer over here. We've just had the aircon people here to drag all the moisture out of the system and regas it, test it. Everything's passed. There are 0 leaks. It's had the dye put in. It's had everything done properly. So there you go. Factory aircon to a 300 TDI. What an incredible upgrade. If you've got one of these and you're thinking about exporting it to the States, which lots of people are now, aircon is something that everybody's going to want. Incidentally, this has been done for our friends in the US military, and we are part of the VAT free scheme. So for those guys with the proper paperwork, we can actually carry out the installation at a net price, so you're not paying the VAT. That is only for the US forces. There you go, guys. Thanks very much for watching. You know what to do if you want to get in touch.